This is a 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a security system, front fog lights, dusk sensing headlights, air conditioning, and aluminum wheels. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Conway Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2393 Highway 501 West in Conway.